Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran, وَاتَّقُوا النَّارَ الَّتِي أُعِدَّتْ لِلْكَافِرِينَ. Translation: and save yourself from hell which is prepared for unbelievers. In the battle of Uhud, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ gave commandments, and those commandments were broken, and Muslims showed love to the worldly wealth and victory, and they got defeated because of breaking the commandments of Allah and showing the love towards the wealth. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave commandments to get characteristics that will result in success for this world and the hereafter. The first commandment that we studied yesterday was to stay away from the interest, from the haram wealth. And in today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is commanding Muslims to save themselves from the hellfire which is prepared for the unbelievers. This hellfire is prepared for unbelievers, but Muslims can also go in it, and this is very scary. Many scholars have said that this news is for those who make the money of interest halal for them. They think it is halal and they are Muslims, but they are eating the interest. Imam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah used to say that this is the most scary ayah about the hellfire, because in this ayah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is warning the Muslims about the hell that is originally made for the unbelievers, but Muslims can also go in it who make the haram things halal for themselves. And this has to be pondered, that we must not do anything that is made haram by Allah, because those things can take Muslims in the hellfire. So the hellfire is for the unbelievers, and the unbelievers and the enemies of Islam are the enemies of Muslim, and one must not go at the place of the enemies of Muslim. And if the place is for punishment, the Muslims must not go and try everything that they don't ever see that place. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَأَطِيعُوا اللَّهَ وَالرَّسُولَ لَعَلَّكُمْ تُرْحَمُونَ. Translation: and obey Allah and His Messenger so that you may obtain His mercy. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has clearly commanded to obey Allah and His Messenger, and this attitude will earn us the rahmah and mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We must leave all the sins that are commanded by Allah and His Messenger, especially the interest. If we obey Allah's commandments and the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ's commandments, we will never starve in this life, and in the hereafter we will get even better rewards in better situation. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and help us obey all the commandments of Allah and His Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.